FitLab PGH back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Remember, we are a podcast about movement, part of what makes your life complete. Check out our sister podcast, Moving to Live, too. I want to talk a little bit about something that was mentioned to me by a good friend of mine about how he thinks that a lot of people who don't exercise or don't try to do something new in the movement field do it because they're worried about what other people are going to say about them. The take-home message for today is try a variety of movement activities. And if you're worried about what people are going to say, tell them to go screw themselves, try something new, and you might find a new activity that you enjoy. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.